Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a weekend vlog with you guys because we have a really exciting weekend coming up, but also it's going to be a bit challenging for me because I am starting to take some chances. And up until now, I've been really safe about things, have not been doing indoor dining or really going to public crowded places and wearing my mask all of the time, no matter what I'm doing. And I'm kind of breaking all of the rules this weekend, and I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. Hopefully I can be brave about it. And today is my husband's 50th birthday party, so we're having a big celebration. We rented out a hall. We have about 90 or more people coming, and at first I was going to wear a mask, but you know what? I'm vaccinated. I want to be able to speak to people and let them have the ability to hear me and just not be dealing with a mask all night. And I'm really, really nervous about it, but also it's time. Like I just have to start taking chances every once in a while, and let's just hope that everything goes smooth. So that is on the agenda for today. And I'm just realizing I used my Seaside Park coffee mug this morning, and now I'm wearing the shirt. I must be dreaming of being at the beach. But anyway, so after today, I have another big thing going on tomorrow. Tomorrow, me and my daughter Emily and my mom are going into New York City to see a Broadway show. I have not been into the city. It must be at least 3 years now. It was the last time I saw a Broadway show. And if you are new to my channel, I live pretty close to the city. It's a quick car ride or train ride right into New York. So we do get to go to Broadway quite often, and I miss it so much. And I'm so excited to be able to go see another Broadway show. Also very nervous about taking the train and being in a theater and just being in New York in general. I am really nervous. So fingers crossed, guys, that I make it through this weekend unharmed. But I will be as safe as I can in New York. In order to see a show, you do need to show proof of vaccination. So at least I can have the peace of mind that everyone in the theater is vaccinated and wearing masks. But, you know, obviously, you guys all know you're still taking chances because it's just a chance that you got to take sometimes. I don't know. So that is my weekend plan. And it's going to be busy and it's going to be a lot of fun stuff. Also, there's going to be a certain level of anxiety there. And I just thought I would bring you guys along with me. So I hope that you enjoy seeing all of the fun events that we have planned for this weekend. Yesterday, I was baking all day for the party. My husband was cooking. Everyone in the family is pitching in and making things. So that's been really great. So today I have to package up all of the desserts, load up the car, and get everything over to the hall that we rented out. So I'm going to be doing some setup there today as well. I made brownies, chocolate chip cookies, and my famous ricotta cheese cookies that everyone likes. So I'm going to go wrap them up now, and then we're going to just kind of be running around all day and setting up and doing some serious party prep. Okay, so we are at the hall setting everything up, and this is what it looks like. There's a bar area over here, and we put together these cool centerpieces. It was so inexpensive. All we did was, I actually purchased these from Amazon, these slabs of wood, so that was the most expensive part. But then these little lanterns were from the Dollar Tree, and then we just used recycling that we already had, just some bourbon bottles and wine bottles and things like that, and we collected them also from some family members that had extras. And then we just picked up random different flowers at the Dollar Tree, and we only needed like 2 different flowers per bottle, and I thought that worked out perfectly. So really a cute centerpiece for a birthday party that is really, really inexpensive. And then we just picked up all of this confetti as well from the dollar store. I purchased this for Jim for his birthday a few years ago, and it's a Patron bottle, and it has all of these lights in it, and I just thought it was so cool. So I brought it here to have it on display at the party. I just thought it was really fun, and I hope I don't forget to bring it back home. Yeah, we're gonna show you, we're gonna give you a quick kitchen tour because there are so many things in this kitchen.
Here's the kitchen.
Here's the kitchen.
So we got some coffee machines.
Yep, I already set up all of the coffee pots for the party. And I mean, I have my own disposable cups, but they have everything, like everything you could imagine in here. Creamers and sugars and just all of the things. So if I had forgotten something, I know I would be good to go.
Then we have a sink.
Yes, all of this stove top and ovens, and then like a huge prep area here as well. Let me show you my dessert tray. Sorry, Madison, I'm coming off the tour for a second. But this is wonderful because it rolls. So I can roll out the desserts and set them up at the table at the end of the night. Here's my ricotta cheese cookies, and then I have cannolis. That's a neighborhood friend of ours made. And then I have a big tray of chocolate chip cookies and brownies. I'm not gonna unwrap them now, but I'll probably show them to you guys later. Okay, Madison, continue the tour.
First aid kit.
Okay, of course, by the way, this is the first time Madison's ever been in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Continue.
And then we have like just the typical like kitchen stuff.
Kitchen stuff,
I don't know what's here.
You don't know what's in here?
There's a sink running.
A drippy sink, lots of pots and pans and cooking items. And
a microwave.
more food prep stuff. Look at these refrigerators, they're huge. This side is ice and this side is refrigeration. And then in here there are baskets and bowls, and these cabinets are just jam-packed with all kinds of dishes that you could possibly imagine. And that's it. I think we're good. Yeah. Was that exciting?
So exciting.
Are you guys so like wanting to see all of this stuff?
Oh, we got some cleaning supplies.
Some cleaning supplies are important, yes.
Yeah.
And more dishes.
A fridge.
Another fridge. And then actually this area here, you can actually open it to, you know, serve if you wanted to right over here. All right, don't hurt yourself, Madison. And that was the kitchen tour. Okay, so we're all set up in here. Emily and Brandon actually just went out to pick up some balloons, and we are 2 centerpieces short because last minute we ended up with more people than we had anticipated, and the table layout is a little bit different than we had originally planned. So we're picking up a couple of more things, and I am going to head back home now to get ready because I'm just like grungy today because I've just been running around and doing things. But this place is awesome because it's really big, so that's good. I feel like we can kind of space out accordingly, and there's a fully equipped kitchen that has everything you could possibly imagine, so we're doing pretty good. So I am going to head home and shower and get ready for the party, and then we're going to come back still at least an hour or 2 prior to the party so we can set up like chips and things. If you can see, I have bowls out with chips, so I want to set that up at each table as well. All right. We are going to head home and get ready for the party. We just did a quick Starbucks run, and we were so excited because they still have pumpkin spice at our local Starbucks. So we have, is it good? We have a pumpkin spice latte with pumpkin spice cold foam, and it is so good. Ready to go. This is what I'm wearing. I like this because it has the ruching here, so you don't have to like worry about every little bump. I had another sweater dress, but it was like really just clingy, and I just felt like I'd feel self-conscious all night. So this is super comfortable, and I'm just wearing boots with it. It is really cold tonight. I think we're gonna see single digits, so I want it to be kind of warm, and I'm just wearing these basic hoop earrings, and I am ready to go. So we're going to load up the car with the last of the things and head over to the hall that we were at before. And then the only thing I need to do when I'm there is, like I said, I need to fill the chip bowls, set up the coffee, make sure I have the cream, the sugar, all of the things out, and we will be ready to go. So that is the plan. Birthday boy. Good morning, guys. It is about 7:30 in the morning the next day. I'm so tired. We got back home around 1 o'clock in the morning and I could not sleep last night. I was so I don't know. I was wired. I could not settle down. My heart was racing. I was just like, I don't even know. I had so much energy last night. So I am like literally going on no sleep right now. And we are headed into the city. I've been really excited about the show and I'm really, wanting to go, but I am just going to be dragging today for sure. I think first we're going to go and get coffee and bring it on the train with us. The train ride is usually about an hour and 45 minutes. Driving would probably be less than an hour, but none of us want to drive into the city. So we always end up just taking the train. Last night was so much fun. We just were dancing and singing. I'm like losing my voice because I was singing so loud. And it was just really nice to see some friends who we haven't seen in a long time and just being able to catch up with people and kind of just, feeling like things are normal, which they're not. But last night it felt pretty good. And it was nice. Jim had a great time. Everything went really, really well. So I am so happy that went off without a hitch. And now we are headed into New York City to see Dear Evan Hansen on Broadway. On the train, we're headed to see Dear Evan Hansen.
What's up with my hair?
I don't know. We had a rough night. Look, my sunglasses are crooked. It's all a mess, but it's all good. We're going to the city. Super excited to see Dear. Oh, tell everyone who's in it.
Jordan Fisher.
Yeah, that's exciting. You excited, Mom?
I don't know, Jordan.
You'll like him. He's really good. It's official. We made it. We're back in the city. We're so excited to finally be back here in New York. We're gonna grab something quick to eat and we'll be off to the show. We are doing indoor dining at Junior's, which is a place that we wanted to go to last time we were in the city, and they have the most amazing cheesecakes, and I'm hoping they have some breakfast options too. So yeah, we're doing this. All right, so we all got the matzo ball soup and we got disco fries for lunch. I have to tell you guys about how amazing the matzo ball soup is
Very
here,
good.
right? My
Very
mom
good.
says perfect
texture.
Yes,
Soft.
it's so good.
You don't have to struggle.
Now, it's like
Melt in your mouth.
really, really
It's
good.
Really, really
If
good.
you guys ever come to Junior's in New York City, totally get the matzo ball soup. It's so good.
And we cut it.
Of course, we had to get cheesecake, so we have the
Thank you.
original. And we have the cherry cheesecake. So
Maybe this way?
we're gonna all share and give them both a try. All right, so let's talk about the cheesecake. Is everybody enjoying it?
Yeah.
It's good?
Very good.
It's very good. I'm not a big fan of cheesecake. It's really heavy. Like we're sharing 2 slices and I can hardly even eat more than like 3 bites. It's so heavy.
It is, but it's not that. It has air to it.
I don't know. I think it's pretty dense.
It's not, no, it has
No?
air. I've had very,
It
very
is for
dense.
me. It's very good though.
Well, I'll do the best I can.
Yeah. Go ahead, you want to pose? Yeah. All right, Mom's gonna strike a pose. Let's see if she can do it. Oh, nice. Got it. It's about 5 o'clock at night and we're headed back. The show was amazing, but the guy who we thought was playing the lead wasn't, because apparently he doesn't do matinees, which was really disappointing. But the show was still amazing and I cried a lot. And now we're headed home. So it was a really, really nice day in the city. So we're back from the city. It's about 7 o'clock at night. Jim actually just ran out to get some takeout for dinner. We're just doing Italian food. And we had a great day in the city. It was so nice to be back in New York, to be able to go to a Broadway show. It was so emotional, just getting off of the train and being in New York and seeing Times Square and just being able to see a show. I cannot even tell you how exciting that was to be able to do that. Also, it is no joke in New York City with the vaccination thing. So we went to the restaurant and you had to show proof of vaccination along with your ID in order to be seated at a restaurant. So we did that. And then when we were going to the actual show, as you were getting online, they had you pull out your vaccination cards and your ID, and they checked that thoroughly before you went in. And then once you were in the theater, they were so strict about the mask wearing that actually during the show, they were calling people out for pulling their masks down. So they had some of the workers there with flashlights, and they would actually go to the aisle where someone was. They would put the flashlight on them and they would basically say to them, cover your face or get out. And this happened quite a few times during the show. So I was really comfortable with the safety protocols that they're taking. It just made me feel a lot more safe. And it was very interesting to me, just the world we live in right now. But anyway, I was really, really so excited that we were able to do that today. So much so that I am thinking of going to another Broadway show very soon. So I'll let you guys know when that happens, if it happens. But we have half off tickets coming up in January into February. It's like a lot of the shows in New York have buy one, get one free tickets for a certain period of time. So I might have to look into that. But anyway, I was glad that I was able to bring you guys along. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I was able to share with you guys this weekend. And that's going to be it for now. I'll see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.